Hi everybody, and welcome to Sugar Hiccups. Today we have a special guest. It's our little kitty cat. His name is Fresh. He will not leave the table. I have started this video over and over countless times. In this particular room, we do not have a door, so he is just free to come in and sit on the table, and I cannot get him out. But he's soft and cute, and he means no harm. He just wants to play. So I hope you don't mind. He will be joining us. This particular book I have for us is called the Antiquarian Sticker Book. It has over 1,000 exquisite Victorian stickers. Though it says Victorian stickers, I want you to know that they're mainly very interesting stickers, very eclectic. So even though it says Victorian, there's so many styles that you can use it for anything. This sticker book is actually a hardbound book, which makes me want to buy a second one and put on my shelf and not use the stickers. But I know that's weird, but I will probably do it one day. It says it's for $24.99. I will leave a link below for Amazon. I got it for like $17, so it was on sale, and it's just beautiful. It's just a beautiful book. This particular book is by Odd Dot Books, and I contacted them because I love the book so much, and I said, hey guys, are you going to do any of these in the 70s or maybe another era like the 80s, because that would be so much fun. They said they didn't have any plans right now. They do have plans for doing a book on eyeballs. So a lot of eyeballs. So if y'all are interested in that, keep an eye out for it. So I don't think I want a whole book of eyeballs, but it might be kind of fun during Halloween, I guess. Okay, so let's take a look at the book. So true to Victorian theme, it has this beautiful swirly opening. And if you don't mind, since there is a lot to go on, I am going to put some music here and let you just enjoy the stickers. Oh, let me also say, they're very easy to come out. Just like that. And then on the back of this, they have these plates, which are pretty as well. Tell me, how many stickers can look so cool that just have the top of a log? That is awesome. Oh, I like her coming out of the egg. This is pretty. So it has a black rim around that. I love these two penguins. Those are so cute. And this guy running from the alligator. The bear for tea. Even this is nice, this border trim. This is nice. This too. And this. All of them. They are so cool. I love this book. This would be such a great gift for somebody. Even if they weren't into journaling or crafting, just a beautiful book. I'm trying to keep these two together. Do you like that one, Fresh? Is that your favorite? He's being so good. He's such a good little kitty. Oh, how nice is this? Now this is kind of tricky. They have the stickers. Sort of in segments. Is this a, what is this? Is it a bear? Oh, wow. How fun is that? Okay, hopefully I can get it back. No, Freshie. Don't poke the bear. There we go. So I imagine this one, is it the same? It's kind of like a surprise. Let's see what we have here. Oh, butterfly. That's nice. Oh, and here's some spooky ones. Some macabre. You could either use for Halloween or if it's your style. I know there's a lot of cool goth styles out there. This is fun. It's like a frame. Here's some kitty cats. Some shells and mushrooms. Try to zoom in for a little bit. That is beautiful. And there you have it, the Antiquarian Sticker Book. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that this is something you enjoyed watching. And if you are inspired and you want to purchase one, I do not think you'd be disappointed. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.